For the second time in 2 weeks, Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi is at the Hyderabad Central University, and this time he spent the night on campus. He is in fact joined the mass hunger strike and will stay on campus till at least 6 this evening. It began with Rahul Gandhi joining a midnight march at the university held by students who launched a massive agitation after the death of Dalit scholar Rohit Vemula earlier this month. The candlelight vigil was meant to mark Rohit's birthday. He would have turned 27 today. Significantly, just hours before Rahul Gandhi's visit, the university changed its interim vice-chancellor, Professor Vipin Srivastava, who has now gone on leave. His appointment as the interim vice-chancellor had fueled further protests, with the students alleging that he was the head of the committee that had suspended Rohit, leading to his suicide. And tracking that story for us is my colleague Mrinali, who now joins us from Hyderabad. Mrinali, Rahul Gandhi even tweeted earlier today saying that he is there on the request of Rohit's family and friends, and that he is there to express solidarity and join them in their fight for justice. What else has he been up to?
Well, Neha, ever since 9:15 this morning, that's when Rahul Gandhi had arrived at this stage. You can see him right behind me. He's seated with the other students, the other 4 students who were suspended, along with Rohit Vemula. He's also here with Rohit Vemula's mother and his brother Raju. Now, he has been interacting with them ever since he reached here at 12:30 in the night. He's been interacting with them along with the other students. Really here to show his solidarity and show his support also for the death of Rohit, and also to pledge his solidarity. Now, he will be here, we understand, until 6 p.m. this evening. There has been a mass hunger strike that's been being conducted by the students of the Hyderabad Central University, which started at midnight and will go on until 6 p.m. in the afternoon, and in the evening, and we understand that Rahul Gandhi will also be taking part in it and will be here in the university campus until 6 p.m. in this evening, participating along with Rohit and the other student protesters on the mass hunger strike and really pledging his solidarity for Rohit. Neha.